Hi there and welcome to Accessorize Your Life. I'm Julia, glad you tuned in for another video, and this video today is an unboxing because it's the Juvia'S Place mystery box. And I did order a few other things along with it so that I could get free shipping. You know how that goes. So anyway, if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you will consider subscribing to Accessorize Your Life. I want to upload at least 4 times a month, sometimes 6 times a month. This happens to be one of, maybe this takes me to 6 times this month. I'm not quite sure. I've lost count. But the unboxing or product review is one of the videos I want to bring you each month. So let's get into this box from Juvia'S Place. Like I said, I ordered a few extra things to get free shipping, so they kind of wrapped everything together. I did already open it up. I did not look, and what I'm going to pull out first is this. I didn't look at this. I know that, let me put my glasses on and tell you that one of these items in this box is a free deluxe gift. And actually it's 2, and one of these things I have already, or one of them I have already. So let's find it first. The festival palette. I think I have that palette on, and it's on top. This palette I have already from Juvia'S Place. I think I got it in the last mystery box, so it is going to be going in my giveaway for 2022. I'll double check on it, but I think so. And next are 2 of the palettes. We got 2 palettes this time in the mystery box, these 2. So the first one here is the Saharan blush. Oh, I was just looking at this. So it's not an eyeshadow palette. Yay, it's a blush. I'm excited about that, because I was just looking online at Juvia'S Place and considering a blush palette. I know I'm not supposed to be, but I was just looking. Nothing wrong with looking. There's 2 of these, and I got volume 1. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, gorgeous. I hope I don't have this. I don't think I do. Look at that. Gorgeous colors. I'm gonna check, but I don't think I have this. Oh my gosh, these colors are great for summer, spring, and winter, and fall. And to just zhuzh it up with these 2 colors here. Zara and Lila. Lila's here, Zara's here. Ooh, very nice. Okay, and the second item in the mystery box is the Nubian 2. Gee whiz, I hope I don't have this. I do have the Nubian 2. This is what it looks like if you're interested, and if you don't have it, here are the colors in that. So this palette, the Nubian 2, is included in January's mystery box, and I have it. So I did not open this, and it will be going into my giveaway. So the festival palette, I have that, and here it is. So 2 items so far. And ooh, mine is rather dusty, but this is what it looks like. And I just recently got this from Juvia'S Place. So I have 2 of the palettes I got in the box. One was a free gift, and one was from the mystery box. But I am so happy to get the palette, the blush palette. Okay, so what else is in here? And we're gonna put some of this stuff on. So this is a lip gloss, and it is it's electric, and I already got this, so it's a repeat. I got a lot of repeats. So you know what the drill is. It's going in the giveaway for 2022 later on this year. Okay, so there was one other lippy, and this one was a part of the free gift. So it's Juvia'S, the nude chocolates, and I have it in toffee. So let's see what toffee looks like. This is new to me, so I will be keeping this for myself. Here is the cover. Isn't it pretty? Ooh, I'm loving the pink. And it's a nude kind of color. Can you see that? So let's put that on my hand. I don't think I'll put that on. because I'm wearing black, but that's what it looks like. That is pretty. I like that. And it's not a magnetic cap, so you have to push it on, but there is a J on the top, so that's neat. So I got the blush and the lipstick. Now, what I added on to make my order over $55 or $50 or so was the eyeline eye define. This is a pen liner for your eyes, and I think it's in black. Yes, it is. That's the color I got. So I'm opening it up so we can see what it looks like. And this is it. Very nice. Let's look at the pen tip. Can you see that? And I'm going to try to draw a line right here. Did it come out? Yes. Nice line. So this will be fun to use. Now the other thing that I got, this is going to be a quick video. The other thing I got is, oh, I have to put on some eyeshadow, but I didn't get anything new. So then I'll put on one of the ones. I'll put on one of them. And the other thing I received, I added on, was this. Isn't that a lovely box? I wish Juvia'S Place would put the mystery box in such a box. Something similar, something pretty, something exciting, right? Well, this is a set of their brushes. Is it the I Live, I Love? Yeah, it's called the 12-piece Pro Essential Brush Set. I Live, I Love. It's for the face and eyes. Pull it off like that and sha-la-la-la-la. That's what it looks like. So that would look great sitting back here. You have everything you need to apply your face products and your eye products right in this cute little dome or cylinder shape. So I'm going to put that right here with that pretty font on it. Gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to use the blush, and I'm going to use one of these palettes. Let me check and see which one was supposed to be in the mystery box. So the festival I won't use because that was a free gift. So this is the Nubian is the mystery, and I think I may have used that before, but let's go ahead and put on some eyeshadow to kind of go with my lippy here. And I'll find a blush from the palette and then we'll be done. Make it kind of short and sweet, why don't we? So I already have on primer and a little powder over my eyes. So I think I'd like to go for something, you know, I always like a good green, but so let's do this. Let's get a quick little look here. Yeah, Nefertiti, which is kind of like a transition. Oh, it's not. It has some sheen to it. See why you have to wear your glasses? Well, we're going in with Nefertiti anyway. She's right there. Going in with Nefertiti. There's a lot of sheen to her, but I'm putting her in my crease, and I'm bringing my crease up higher, and she has a great color payoff. Just going to put her in a little more. Make sure she's in there. Get her up nice and high. Alrighty. We're liking her. So next I'm going to put a little bit of this blue, which is Cleopatra, on the outer corner. A little bit of Cleopatra. Just came up a little higher than I like. Let me flip the mirror over so I can see. Kind of blend her in some. Cleopatra. If you're hearing that noise, it's a combination of my heat, and I now know that my husband is home because I hear him rolling the trash bin back around to the back of the house, and there's the window there, so you're getting a lot of background noise, and I apologize for that. Okay, there we are. And next, I think I want to go in with a deeper shade maybe, because I don't think that yellow you're going to see anything. So let's go in. I'm just going to play around with this. Let's just go in with this green. There's no rhyme or reason here. We're just doing it. Just so you can see what this palette is like. It's like. Ooh, that green is pretty. You know, I'm getting some fallout, I think, but I'm getting to know this palette too. Okay, now I think I want to go back in with that Nefertiti, and that green, by the way, was Egypt. Don't want to lose the Nefertiti. Okay, now I feel like I need a little bit of a brighter color, and there's not too many bright colors in this palette, but I am going to take this Nairobi, which looks like a gold, and put it right here. Ooh, that's a lot. I'm gonna have to clean that up. Looks like a continuation of Nefertiti. Yeah. Okay, now let's use the eyeliner. Can you see it? Let's go in with the eyeliner. See it there. Now let's go here. Oh, I like this liner. It isn't really wet, but it has a nice tip on it, and it snaps shut, so it keeps it secure there. Okay, now let's go in with a cheek color from the palette that I received. It's the Saharan Blush Volume 1. So what do we think? We've got a lot of yellow and green going on here. So we can go in with a gold, or let's see, I'm gonna go in with my winter shade. I'm just gonna go in with this. First, let's try this deep color here. What color is that? It's called Abby. That would be a nice bronzer shade. I'll have to go over that with another color. Ooh, it's pretty though. You know what? It comes out like a beautiful burgundy or maroonish color. Okay, to make it relate more to my lips, I'm going to take in a little bit, almost makes me look bruised. So I have to do something with it. I have to go in with I like it though. Go in with another color. I could go in with a little bit of this to lighten it up some. But I think I need to go in with one of these. Let's try this one. Relate back to the eyes, the gold color, and it's Zara. And a little bit more to kind of balance it out. Alrighty, here's the look I got from the products I received in my mystery box from Juvia'S Place. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, seeing the products that I received from the Juvia'S Place mystery box for January. I like this. I think it's looking nice. I'm not going to put on the lippy because I think I need a little color. Juice it up. Yeah, look, it's pretty nice. I like the eyes. What do you think? The colors went on nice, and I don't think I got any real fallout. My eyes are a little dark under here. I did put on concealer, but maybe some of it did fall out. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Remember, a smile is your best accessory. And if you're interested in, I should say this, if you're interested in the mystery box from Juvia'S Place, it is $18, but you really have to add on things if you want to get free shipping, because they do charge for shipping. And I placed this order at the beginning of the week, and here it is Thursday, and I have it already. So yeah, I think you get a pretty good deal. And like I said, if you get repeats, you can certainly find something to do with them. Use them as gifts or giveaways, or even put them up on Poshmark or something. Thank you for tuning in again. I'm saying that for the last time now. So long.